All right, this is only a real quick unboxing of the Jinri Paris Professional, the Ionic hair dryer. As you can see, it comes with the ceramic outer grill, cool shot button, 3 heats, 2 speeds, hang up hook cord base, removable lint filter to facilitate timely cleanup. Let's check this out. Actually, it feels very, very sturdy. I like this. And here you have your different heats right here. Actually, this feels like it's very, very, very professional. Literally. No, it feels very sturdy though, to tell you the truth without joking. Actually comes with the straightener pick, which I'm going to use on my daughter's hair. Mixed hair, curly hair to make straight hair. In lieu of using the flat iron, which you can follow up and use the flat iron to make it even a lot straighter. The hair diffuser. Not going to use this because she's trying to make her hair straight. But actually this diffuser does look pretty good. I'm not a pro at this. I mean, having a daughter, being a girl dad, put me on this level. And the quick dryer here, or the quick dryer attachment. Nothing much with the instructions, just the basics. You know, you have your reset button for your fuse, all your components. We just went over these. Other than that, that's really it. It's just a very, very simple hair dryer or blow dryer. Very, very simple. Actually has some weight to it. So it doesn't feel like really plasticky and all cheap. It's not. It actually feels very professional, like if I was in a hair salon. But that's really it. Just want to give you a quick unboxing of this if you haven't seen it. That's it. Thank you, everybody, and have a good day.